What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Techno Mix. In this new video we are going to show you 3 Kinemaster tricks for professional video editing. So let's start the video. Open Kinemaster Application. Go to Settings. Click Device Capability Information. Here there are 2 boxes. The left one shows the maximum quality of video that you can export, and the right one shows you the number of layers that you can add. Click on the 3 dots on top right corner and run analysis for optimization of the app. After the analysis is done, go back to Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced Setting. Turn on the buttons as shown in the video. Now you can add unlimited number of layers in the video. Download our Kinemaster application from the link in description if these buttons are not working. Transitions with sound effects will help the video feel like professional video effects. Add any transitions of your choice. Go to Audio. Click on SFX Assets. Go to Kinemaster Asset Store. Here you will get many audio effects which you can add for your video and your transitions too. Make sure to select perfect SFX asset that matches the transition. Add the SFX audio exactly at the start of transition. Clip Graphics tool is used to enhance the video for better experience. Many professionals use this and make the video look simple awesome. Click on the video, go to Clip Graphics. You can download all the graphics that you want from the Kinemaster Asset Store. You can change the text name, its color and font for all the clip graphics respectively. Many of the viewers don't know about these tricks. Hope so these would be helpful for you guys in making awesome videos. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest video updates.